Okay, guys, this zone chasing thing is just ridiculous. I was in that zone where you guys see me right now, all the way at the top. I am driving down to South Lexington just to dash, and I've been only been able to schedule upon arrival up to 4 o'clock, and right now 3:22. Might be able to get a delivery, might not. I just don't see how this non-top dasher thing between the busy times actually is realistic for drivers in my area in Lexington to be. Second thing I want to talk about is something, I heard from, I heard, by multiple people, Slavic. Oh, I can turn on camera. And you guys are seeing not what. There it is. And by multiple people was told that, January and February is going to be great and fabulous. Maybe in areas where people not willing to drive in bad weather, yes. But like today, bunch of drivers on the road. And now taking the information, and I'm already in zone. So we have arrived. Okay. Keeping going until Nicholasville Road and see what happens. And a lot of drivers like, it's going to be great. But going back to a last business that I ran as a CEO, selling electronics on eBay and Amazon, I learned and discovered one thing over the years. January, February were the worstest months for us selling electronics. Out of the whole year. Then Burger King for $3. Set it down the river. Were the worstest month. Then they followed after that with March, April, May. These months were getting better, and we actually were selling not the best months, but they were kind of a little bit better than average month. But during those months, we had a lot of returns and scams. Because three people, they got their tax return. They were expecting a bigger amount that they received. And that $2,000 they received or $1,000 they received, they needed to make sure they got everything that they wanted to get for the whole year, that they waited. So they needed to make sure that dollar amount that they had to stretch it. And by stretching the dollar amount, that's when the scams start coming in, because with eBay and Amazon, sometimes you order and it's not worth returning the item, and the seller will say just keep it, or pulling a scam or whatever. So yes, those months were the craziest. Then we had June and July. They were okay month until we start getting into end of August, September, when back to school. That's when things started picking up, and it kind of was great until the end of Christmas. And I'm pretty sure that is the same concept here with food delivery. It's how people willing to release the money that they are holding in their hand and in their wallet. And I'm suspecting same response. So is January and February is going to be the great? A lot of people say it's going to be, but seeing the amount of drivers on the road, I don't see how that's going to be happening. But I'm still willing. But hey, if I am having a hard time getting a schedule, and I had to drive all the way down Moose Southwest Grill, 675 for 5 miles? No. I'm not going to be able to complete it in 15 minutes. So, as I'm seeing drivers coming on board, and there are more drivers coming, some drivers know how to make the money, rest of them will be stressing out and leaving. Until the amount of drivers are going to start reducing, it's going to be hard to... It's still going to be the same as it is. Another 3.9 miles for 425 Chick-fil-A. No. And I believe we are pretty close to the road. Yep, we are. So yes, guys, definitely think about that. I'm going based on my experience in another industry, that is in sales of used electronics, and they were not great during January and February, and I don't see why that can be applied here if we have too many drivers. Now, if you live in an area where it's stormy, icy all winter long, your situation might be different. And you can see even Lexington South now went gray, and I'm about 30 minutes away from expiring on this dash. Hey, what can I do? It is what it is. 59 item Walmart for $7. No, it's not. Not doing this Walmart or any Walmart anymore. Okay, guys, be blessed. This is something I wanted to share with you guys and hear what you guys' opinion in your market. Definitely in my market, not so excited when it comes down to the slow time. I just have to be in the area that I have to be instead of being where I want to be. And I need to stop because these orders are coming in and they're not giving me any blessings. So guys, be blessed, go out and make some money, and also give me a feedback. How it is in your area, how it is in your market. Are you able to dash whenever you want, even in a slow period of time, or slow period of time for you is an issue as well? 525 for 3.6. No. Go ahead, guys. Be blessed.